How to create a Riot account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a Riot Games account so you can start playing awesome games like League of Legends, Valorant and more. It's super quick and easy, so without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open your browser and go to the official website of Riot Games. And once you are there, click on the sign in button in the top right corner of the page and you will be guided to the login page. Now, on the login page, you will see a create account button at the bottom of the screen. You simply need to click on that to begin the registration process. Now, you will be asked to provide some basic details like your email address. So you simply need to type your email, and once you have done that, you can simply click on next button. Now, the Riot Games will send the verification code on your email. You simply have to enter that code to verify your email. And once you have entered the code, you simply need to select next. Now, you need to input your date of birth and make sure that it is accurate. And once you have filled this information, you can simply click next. Now here is where you create your Riot ID. At first, you need to write your username. So pick a unique username and this is how you will log in. And after that, you will enter the section where you need to create your password. So choose a strong password with a mix of letters, numbers and symbols. And once you are done creating your password, confirm your password by re-entering your password to make sure it matches. And once you are done, you can simply click next. Now, read and agree to the Riot Games Terms of Service and Privacy Policy by checking the box. And once you are done with that, you can simply click on accept. And there you have it. Your Riot Games account is now ready to go. You can log in and download your favorite games and start playing right away. I hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more videos. Have any question? Then drop them in the comment section and I'll be happy to help you. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.